This is the NA-16 trainer, the first training airplane designed and built by North American, and the basic design which subsequently became the pattern for standard combat training equipment in many of the world's major air forces. Designed and built in 9 weeks, the North American NA-16 was outstanding for its rapid and inexpensive maintenance and its close approach in a training plane to the most advanced technical types. From its basic design stemmed the entire series of famous North American training planes. Today, North American has built more than 15,000 trainers from the time the first NA-16 was flown in Baltimore in 1935. These busy scenes on the assembly floor were typical of the early days in North American's Inglewood plant, when all its facilities were devoted to the production of AT-6 Texans, now being used by the military personnel of 27 United Nations. Production of the Texan has been exclusive in the company's Dallas plant since December 1941. A colorful background for this AT-6, as it's being towed out of the door and down the flight ramp, is provided by a row of trainers built for the British and named by them as Harvard.